Moodle tutorial for beginners, how to use Moodle. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Moodle. So what exactly is Moodle? What can you use it for? Well, Moodle is a community tool. Moodle allows you to do so many different things. It allows you to build your own LMS, you can build your own communities, you can build your own courses, and there are 3 different sections of Moodle. So you have their experimentation, which is their research lab where you can explore AI and other tech. Then you have their Translate Moodle Academy. You also have their Moodle Experience Lab. And Moodle itself is a very large platform that encompasses different things. So Moodle has their own community forums, documentation, downloads, but when you're signing up for Moodle, you can sign up in 3 different ways. You can learn about Moodle's products like Moodle's LMS, Moodle's Workspace, or Moodle certified service providers, which can help you in using Moodle tools. Then you have Moodle.net, which is their network to share and curate open educational sources. And then they have Moodle Academy, which includes courses and programs to develop your skills as a Moodle educator, administrator, designer, or developer. So to learn more, you can just click on the individual section of Moodle you would like to learn more about, like so. And you guys can see different pathways of Moodle. So you can use Moodle to teach, assess, and communicate with your learners. You can customize your site and you can become a developer. And they also have different Moodle Academy programs where you can start learning how to use Moodle and how you can use it to its fullest potential to build your own learning management system. Now, usually this is going to be used by educational institutions, or if you are an individual that is trying to build a institution, or if you are teaching courses and you are a course creator, then this is going to be really useful for you as well. Simply click on Use Moodle to teach, and we're going to proceed with Moodle Educator. Now you have different educator programs. You have assessments, grade booking, exploring quizzes, and you can take a look at the educator pathway. Now we can click on the top right where it says login to log into our Moodle account, and we will be led to Moodle Academy. And don't worry if you don't have an account already. I do have an account, but I'm going to show you guys how to create one as well. So some courses may allow guest access, so you don't have to sign up necessarily, but I do recommend signing up. Just click on create your account and you're going to enter your age and you're going to enter your country. And then after that, you're going to click on proceed. Once you click on proceed over here, you have their privacy policy, which you have to read. And you're going to click on next. Now their privacy policy is divided into 3 pages, so just go through all of these and then click on next. Then you're just going to agree to their privacy policy, cookie policy, and site policy. And then you can start creating your account by proceeding with your username, password, email address, first name, last name, city and town, country, and the pathway that you want to go for. So now I'm just going to complete all of this information. And once you complete all of this information, your Moodle account will be created. So on the top right, you're going to find your Moodle account, and this is going to show you your profile. Then you have your grades, which allows you to manage, your grades. We're going to just proceed with their policies. And over here, courses I am taking, Moodle Teaching with AI. Then you have calendars as well for better time management. And then you also have private files, reports, preferences, and languages. Now we're going to go into dashboard, and our dashboard is going to look like this, where we have upcoming events where we can find courses, and we can also join Moodle Academy programs. Then you have your My Courses section. So you guys can see I have this one course that I want to take. And this allows you to get so much knowledge, and you're able to collect so much information on Moodle. You can subscribe to certain calendar events, and you can find the calendar events that you are interested in. Let's say I am interested in artificial intelligence. So I'm just going to click on that, and this can help me in finding courses. Not only that, but Moodle will provide you with courses, a basic description, the basic competencies that you're going to learn within that course, as well as categories, the estimated learning time, and the level of learning you're going to have. So if you try to join an API course and it's too advanced, you can always monitor the level it is. So we have beginner friendly, intermediate, and then another intermediate course. Then let's say I want to go for the Moodle Developer Skill Program, and you guys can see there's intermediate, and yeah, most of them are intermediate, and you can browse whichever course fits your particular needs. Now, after that, you can proceed with the different features of Moodle. So if you want to go on ahead and opt for different Moodle tools, you can go back into the basic dashboard of Moodle. So we are just going to go back, and then instead of opting for Moodle Academy, we can use some of the other Moodle tools. So if you go on to moodle.org over here, instead of opting for Moodle Academy, you always have the option to explore other resources such as MoodleNet or Moodle.com. If you're trying to build your workspace or learning management system, you can go into Moodle.com. Once you click on Moodle.com, you are going to accept their cookies, and you're going to see different workspace solutions, including building an LMS for higher education, workplace learning, including compliance training, employee development, employee onboarding, customer training, partner enablement, as well as sales enablement. These can be especially helpful if you are even a consultancy. So if you are someone that is working in HR and you want to build workplace development programs or learning programs, you can do them via Moodle in accordance with your particular workspace. Then you even have government-based Moodle programs. You have vocational training as well as K-12. All of these services are provided by Moodle, and you are able to basically get any type of service you want. Whether you're looking to find your partner or become a Moodle partner, host, customize, develop, learn, and design, and build your overall system for learning for both your employees, you as an individual, you as an educator, on Moodle. Simply click on Get Moodle over here to start using Moodle as a learning management system. Now for this, you can't sign up right away. You do have to contact Moodle. So I want to get Moodle. What would you like to know more about? Consultancy, services, paid support, training, or certification. I want it for my Moodle site. So I want to get Moodle. Then you're going to select, I need a custom solution with export support. I need an off-the-shelf solution. Then you can click on their Moodle Cloud plans. And once you do that, you can see a different hosted solution for your learning management systems. Now, if you want a customized and custom tailored program, you can also opt for that, and you can choose your tier. So their standard plans start at 200 AUD, and then their premium plans are going to be catered according to your needs and however much hosting you would need, however much content you have, and however many people are going to be using it. So you can also get started with the trial. So if you're not ready to buy, you can get started for free and then explore Moodle and then choose what is going to fit your needs the best. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.